guys, today our friends at STREBITO sends us this 42-in-1 mini electric screwdriver set. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to go ahead and see what comes inside. It does come with a USB type A to USB type C. Everything comes in this nice case, okay, where you can actually store everything. And, actually you can safely carry your electric screwdriver set all together in your pocket, in your bag, and none of the pieces will actually go out, because as you see, it doesn't go out unless you press it, and then it pops out, and then you can go ahead and get it out. Now, this one has a lot of tips right here, different sizes of Phillips, different sizes of flatheads, different sizes of Torx. Now, this right here is magnetic, okay, so they won't actually fall off, that easy. On the back, okay, it actually has, this tools right here to remove the screens. They actually go snapped on, so that way they actually don't bounce around the case or anything. Now, it does have a section right here where you unmagnetize or magnetize, and on the other end we have a couple of other, security screws right here, other Allen tips, and all those tips right there. That way you can actually see what comes, and you just turn it around. And as you see, this is all magnetic, okay? Now, on the middle, we're gonna find the screwdriver right here. All right, we're just gonna remove it, okay? Now, this is a Type C rechargeable, 3.7 volt. Turn it on. It does have a light. That way, whenever you're screwing out something, okay, you can actually light up whatever you're doing. This LCD screen tells you, the charge of the screwdriver, and also tells you whether you're actually getting it out or getting it in. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little demonstration here just to get this screw out. If you see, it's actually doing the job, and it magnetizes, the screw right here, that way you don't lose it. And we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. This set can actually help you with tablets, computers, any small electronic phones, I don't know, you name it, okay? Anything that's small and has, screws, this can actually help you with that. This has a lithium-ion battery. It has a light, it has fast charge. It has all the features that, you can ask on a mini electric screwdriver. I hope that the information on this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.